Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Jan, and on the turntable we have the BMC 1800 Aerodinamica by Italian car designer Pininfarina. The BMC 1800 was a prototype car introduced in 1967 at the Turin Motor Show in Italy. It was based on the chassis of the Austin 1800 by the British Motor Corporation or BMC. The streamlined design of the Aerodinamica was revolutionary at the time, and BMC had its doubts about producing the car. Although the BMC 1800 Aerodinamica was never mass-produced, it did influence some other car designs like the 1974 Citroën CX and the Rover SD1, who also inherited a lot of the rear of the Aerodinamica. Lesney deemed this prototype car important enough to make a model out of it for its Matchbox Superfast range. The Superfast model was introduced in 1969 and came in this dark gold color, peachy pink or the rare off-white. In 1972, Lesney made some changes to the casting to allow for larger wheels. This earlier model is in a pretty rough state. It's playworn with scuffed and cracked windows, chipped paint, and one of its previous owners drew on it with a marker and gave it a racing number. It's a pretty common model, and I think it's a nice candidate for a custom paint job to bring it closer to the original prototype car. So let's get out the tools and give this model a makeover. The BMC Pininfarina Aerodinamica is an iconic Italian concept car of the late 60s, based on the very British chassis of the Austin 1800. Its design influenced a lot of later car designs like the Citroën CX and the Rover SD1. This early Superfast model was issued in gold and was definitely enjoyed by several generations before it ended up on my workbench. It was detailed with black marker, received a racing number, and the window was cracked. I thought this would be a good model for custom restoration to bring it closer to the original car. The yellow is called sulfur yellow and is close to the original pale yellow of the real car. I painted the part between the headlights black like it should be, but left the interior unpainted as the original car also had a pale interior. Maybe I should have gone the extra mile and painted the bumpers black. Nevertheless, I think it worked out pretty well. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.